Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this board and batten wall very quickly and easily. I will provide all the measurements and I will also go through how to measure your wall as well. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First thing is first, you have to measure your wall and you have to decide how height you need the board and batten wall to be. We have chosen 48 inches from ground, which is like half of the way, half of the wall. And then next, once you have the wall measurements, say your wall is 120 inches and the boards that you have chosen are 2.5 inches each. First, direct the corner boards, that is 120 minus 5 inches, 2.5 each. So your total would be 115 inches. Then you have to decide the partitions, how many partitions you need. Say you want 5 partitions, then you may need the 4 slats, vertical slats. So 115 minus 10 inches, which is the 4 slats, that is equal to 105 inches. And then that 105 inches, you have to divide it into 5. Then you will end up with 21 inches each. So if you see here, these boards are 21 inches wide apart. And once you are done with the measurements and everything, we just went ahead and traced the design on the wall. We don't want to remove the existing baseboards, so we went ahead and used 1/2 inch boards on the bottom next to the baseboards. For the rest of the boards, we have used the same 2.5 inch boards. Then that's it. You have to just measure and cut your boards as per your measurements and attach them to the wall with some wood glue and nail gun. If you have any unevens or if you want to fill those holes, we just filled it with wood filler and then sanded it after 2 hours. Once the wood glue is dried, you then go ahead and use a caulking gun to caulk the corners where the wood meets the wall so that it gives a finished look. So this is how it looks once we have all the wood glue and everything on place. This is how it looks after we paint it. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Take care.